Gayatri JP. I'm a cadet of Scout and Guides, Nadavannur Higher Secondary School, Vagayad. Today, I'm going to tell you a few words about Bapu and BP. Let's begin with BP. Robert Stephenson Smith Baden-Powell, who was born on 22nd February 1857 in London. And he was a man who was a founder of the Scouting movement. With the help of his sister, Agnes Baden-Powell, he also began the guiding movement. Both was going on by BP. And as even though the BP began and he continued a very simplified life, he was a soldier, a prolific writer, an educator, and a national hero. As we all knew that the Scouting for Boys is one of the famous books written by Baden-Powell. And this book was a best-selling book, and he describes in this book about the ideologies that was related to his movement. That is the World Scout and Guides movement. In 1910, he was retired from the Britain Army to continue his life with the Scouting movement. With the help of his wife, Olive Soames, who was an helper and a companion in all of his works, he continued the guiding movement, and Olive, the lady BP, was the chief world guide. And as we all know, the Baden-Powell is having one famous wording, that is, try and leave this world a little better than you found it. This was a wording written by Baden-Powell as a farewell message for his scouts in a scout camping. And he issued that this only want to be published after his death. He guided the Scout and Guides movement up to the year 1937, up to his retiring age. In the year 1941, Baden-Powell was died and he was buried at Nyeri, Kenya. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, was an Indian lawyer and, well, as we all know, was the national father of the nation, and was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was an anti-colonial nationalist and political enthusiast who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for Indian people for their independence from the British rule. He brought the anti-colonial nationalism to the common Indian people through the Dandi Salt movement in 1930 and later by calling British into Quit India. It was at 1942 the Quit India movement was also started by Mahatma Gandhi. And as we all know, Gandhi joined the Indian National Congress. It was a huge news for the common Indian people. And Gandhi was introduced to the Indian politics and to the Indian government by the Gopalakrishna Gokhale, who was another leader. Gandhi also valued the ideologies of Gokhale, and he transformed all the British traditions of Gokhale into his own ways and he made it into an Indian culture. It was a great achievement of Gandhiji. As we all know that although Gandhi also had a very simplified life like Baden-Powell, and by wearing lion clothes for the first time in India, he was assuring that it was like a symbol of the purity or the poverty that the Indians had, and he was like an Indian poor countryman. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated at 30th January 1948 by an armed assassin. So, these two national heroes laid out a simplified life, and we also can make them our role models. Thank you. Jai Hind.